We are going to see how we can deploy smart contracts to the Solana blockchain network. First, we'll see how we can do it using Solana CLI. So let us check out our development environment from the previous video. Let us see if it is configured correctly. We can see it is connected to the DevNet and we have enough Sol. First, let us create a Rust project named Hello World. Change into the Hello World folder. Install the Solana program dependency. Okay, next, let us edit the cargo.toml file to set the project type to the library so that we can build and deploy it to the Solana network. Now, let us write our Hello World contract. Open the lib.rs file in the src folder. Clear the content and paste our Hello World contract. This is the same one we used with the Solana Playground. Next, build the contract. Wait for it to finish. And finally, deploy the contract. It is deployed and we got the program ID. We can check the deployment transaction in the Solana scan also. Now we do the same with Anchor. First, we'll install the Anchor version manager using Cargo. Then we'll use the Anchor version manager to install the Anchor framework. Now it is done, and the whole procedure took me around 30 minutes. To create an Anchor project, we also need the yarn, for which we need the Node.js. So let us install the node using npm. And install yarn using npm. Now initialize an Anchor project named hello_anchor. Change it to the hello Anchor folder. A quick overview of the content. The anchor.toml file is the config file. The app folder will contain the dapp files, and the programs folder contains the smart contract. Okay, first let us edit lib.js file and replace the content with our hello world contract. Next, install the Solana program dependency. Now, build the contract using Anchor framework. This process also takes time when we do it for the first time. Okay, so for some reason, I got logged out from my Ubuntu VM. So let me build it again. And it works. Now let us configure the anchor.toml file so that Anchor will communicate with DevNet. Remove the programs.localnet section. Rename cluster to DevNet. Add DevNet URL. Save and close. Finally, deploy the contract using the Anchor framework. And yes, it is deployed and we got to the program ID. So that's it for today, guys. We saw how we deploy contract using Solana CLI and Anchor framework. I'd suggest you guys to use Solana CLI for smaller projects and Anchor for larger ones. Next, we'll look into how to interact with the deployed contract from our DApp. Thank you for your time and attention. I look forward to continuing our conversation next Saturday.